Hello and welcome back to Let's Talk by George. Well, in today's video, we are going to review the final update from Project Arcana. Yes, that is right, guys. Project Arcana has halted the development. It's so sad to see and it's so sad to hear. Anyways, let's review their last update. First of all, to begin with the quick settings, as you can see, we are having the same layout like Android 10 and 11 for the quick settings, so that's really amazing and I do really love it. As you can see, the scrolling down and scrolling up for the quick settings is quite smooth. Unfortunately, there is no option to make the quick settings back to the Android 12 kind of user interface. If you are a fan of Android 12, there is no coming back. Again, there is an automatic brightness button over here, so once that's also an added on advantage. Now coming down here in the notification panel, you can see there is a clear all button. So instead of the text thing, there is a button too. So that is about the quick setting aspect, or the first customization or first user interface change that you are going to see. Now secondly, if you want to go to the launcher, as you can see, the launcher is default Google launcher, but there is a double tap to sleep option which has been added by one of our by a friend, and yeah, so you get actually the basic customization for the launcher. Now the ROM E that I have booted onto my POCO M3 Citrus is the pixel version or the GApps version of the ROM, and as you can see, the ROM is having the oxygen dialer, which is from the Octavia is, I guess. So basically you are not getting the Google dialer, so that's also cool, isn't it, guys? All right, now to talk about the ROM is extremely smooth. I really love the ROM. Now let's go to the system specification. So let's take the about device. As you can see, it is the Arcana Fairer 6.0. The device that I have booted is onto POCO M3 or GUI's unified devices. The release is official, and the maintainers are Frost G and RayapKun, and the Android version is 12. It's on the 5th April security patch. The kernel that I'm using is 4.19.227. So basically I do really love that kernel. It is maybe one of the best performing kernel that we have in our GUI's devices. So anyways, let's go to the settings page. As you can see, on the app drawer itself, the ROM is not bloated with quite a lot of GApps. The ROM comes with the Proton AOSP camera, and let's go to the settings. Now as you can see, the settings has been you can change the settings layout. I mean, this is not the default settings layout. I have selected the OOS 11 kind of layout for the settings. So basically it's all the same. Once you go to wallpaper and style, you can see that you get the themed icons, and you can adjust the app grid layout and stuff like that. Then coming to the Grimoire, that's the customization for this particular ROM. First you will get the device theming, so you can basically customize the Monet engine theming parts, and if you want to enable the vivid color thing, you can definitely do that. Well, this will only reflect once you have the dark theming option being enabled. So basically that is something that you can see when you enable dark theming. Now these all are the settings layout customization that you have. 11 and 12, you can rearrange your settings page into either one of these layouts, or if you are a fan of default AOSP layout, you can definitely choose to have AOSP layout. Then you will get a couple of good fonts with the ROM. Then coming to the next option is icon packs, and you can even customize your signal icon and Wi-Fi icon style too. Then you can select a custom icon shape. A couple of cool custom shapes are available, and there is an option to enable the wallpaper zoom, right? So the next one is extras, and you get game space, hidden apps, unlimited photo storage, unlimited higher FPS in game, unlock higher quality streams. Then you will have the lock screen customization, where you get ambient edge lighting, pulse music visualizer. You get an option to see whether if you wish to see the charging information, you can do that. and finally ripple effect notification. Well, this is my this is what the part which I like, the reticker. We all know the reticker. It all started with the descendant. They made the reticker, and well, I do really love retickers. And instead of having the bulky notification shade, you can enable this reticker thing, so that's really great. And show notification count. So that's about the customization for notifications. Then coming to the quick settings, you get an option to customize your brightness slider where you want to display it. And yeah, there's only one option, so basically nothing more. Then clear all notification button. And finally the status bar, so you can select a custom battery style. There are a few custom styles available. So battery percentage, where you want to display the battery percentage. Then clock style, you can arrange the status bar clock display where it wants to be displayed. Then you get an option to enable the network traffic indicator, and you get some option to customize it. Then you can enable the privacy indicators, and finally you get an option to customize the status bar icon. And you can select a couple of the then there is the colored icon over here. So if you want to see the colored icons on your status bar, definitely you can enable it and see the colored status bar icons. Then logo, if you want to enable the Arcana logo, definitely you can do that. And there are some couple of other logo choices which are available. So well, if you want to enable the default Project Arcana logo, definitely you can do that. And if you want to use the accent color, yep, you can do that, or you can disable it to use the same color as in the status bar. And there is an option to display, to disable the data disabled icon. Then you have the option to enable and disable light icon. So that's about the status bar icons, and this is overall review about the ROM. Well, I do really love the ROM, and well, it is bit sad to see that the Project Arcana development has been halted. But anyways, it was a nice ROM, and many thanks to our friends in Juice community for releasing the ROM officially, and they did a great job in optimizing their trees and delivering a smooth performance ROM. So many thanks for watching the review. I hope you have enjoyed my review. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you won't miss further updates. Thank you.